everybody, Becca here with Empowering Pumps and Equipment. I'm very excited to have Mark Gamitro here with us with ABB. So Mark, why don't you introduce yourself?
Well, thank you for the introduction. As you said, I am Mark Gamitro, and I'm a global product manager for variable speed motors, which is a business unit within ABB Motors and Mechanical. I am responsible for the EC Titanium, which is a new IE5 efficiency line of variable speed motors and integrated drives. And I've worked in the industrial automation segment for about 30 years and have background in account management, product and application engineering, and we've worked with variable speed drives, PLCs, motors, and mechanical power transmission devices.
Awesome. Well, Mark, how do you support the water wastewater industry?
Well, let me frame that up first by saying that in the U.S., this product is focused on some of the industry trends that are happening now in the water industry and wastewater. And those are centered around the fact that pump systems account for about 40% of the total electrical consumption of industrial motor systems. And so therefore, the US Department of Energy is really focused on improving system efficiency for these types of applications, not just the motor efficiency, but the overall system efficiency of the pump system. And also not just at full load and full speed, but at partial speed and partial load points. So our solution is primarily designed to address those needs within the wastewater industry and the water industry. It incorporates a permanent magnet rotor technology with a synchronous reluctance rotor. But really what you need to take away from that is it's designed to achieve IE5 plus efficiency, which would be equivalent to a NEMA ultra premium motor, which they don't really have. NEMA doesn't have a classification for that, but it's one band above a premium energy efficient motor. But the real advantage of the technology is that it not only gives you high efficiency above IE5 at full load and full speed, but it maintains that in a flatter profile at varying speed and load points, which helps you meet these new regulations by the Department of Energy. So, it's our feel that the equipment incorporating this type of technology will help you maintain optimal performance no matter what your operating point is. And in addition to that, we have a version that is an integrated drive module on it. And so when you're running at variable speed, that saves you panel space and wiring and startup and installation time. Okay.
Awesome. And yeah, I mean, efficiency is very important. So that's going to be great. Why did you decide to exhibit at WEFTEC?
Well, we feel that WEFTEC is the perfect platform to discuss these types of applications with our OEMs, the end users, and EPCs that could utilize the technology to optimize their water operations. And we feel that with the right audience, we can help make improvements, not only to pump system operation, but help these end users and OEMs overcome the challenges they're facing in the industry surrounding the high energy costs, the new government regulations, really focused on improving power consumption and retrofitting aging infrastructures. So we really feel that gives us an audience at WEFTEC to show off this new technology, which we feel is probably one of the most efficient product on the market today, and really give us that audience to allow us to work with water companies and provide solutions.
Very important stuff. And I know that you, talked a little bit about this already, but what are you planning specifically to showcase at WEFTEC?
Well, at WEFTEC, we'll be showing obviously the EC Titanium motor product and the technology behind it. We'll also be displaying what we call ABB Ability, which is a predictive and diagnostic tool. The Dodge Raptor coupling, which comes from our mechanical power transmission side. And there'll be interactive video presentations for each of these products. And then we'll have links that will let your customers and the WEFTEC attendees to go to our wastewater information page, and there we'll be discussing the motor technology, our Dodge products more in depth, and with additional links to the product and informational pages.
Great. And now, what is the best way for people to connect with you?
Primarily, I utilize email, and so probably the best way to get in touch with me is just drop me an email. I'm open for that, and please email me. It's just my first dot last name, so mark.gamitro, Gmitro, and it's at us.abb.com.
Perfect. Well, Mark, thank
Okay.
you so much for being here with me today and letting people know what you guys are going to be doing specifically around WEFTEC. And everybody needs to make sure to check you out during WEFTEC Connect and see the awesome things that you have to offer.
Thank you very much, Rebecca.
Thank you.